Welcome. This is the Sunday Aaron Ross 2012 bike. First, we'll start off at the top. These are my Shadow Conspiracy orange cultural grips. I've got the nice orange Odyssey slick, well, super slick cable. Rush brake. It's basically just a stock brake lever. Now we'll go to the stand. This is the Sunday top load. Yeah. Now we'll go to the frame itself. This is the Aaron Ross AM Sunday 2012. Has a nice mint color with the nice stickers on there. Here is a Odyssey sprocket, cranks, and fit twisted PCs. Got a Sunday clamp right there. This is Sunday. Nice exclamation point. I got the Shadow Conspiracy seat. And then we will go to the tires. These are my fit teal walls. The nice Odyssey quadrant rim. Nice valve cap. Look at that. It's bullet. You know that. Front hub, Odyssey hub. Dusty. Not dusty. Dirt. Then we got a cassette, Odyssey cassette hub, back hub. Tire. 35 through 65 PSI. This one here is a lot more. This is an 85 through 110 PSI. Yeah, big difference. So right there, that's my Aaron Ross AM 2012 Sunday.